Everyone needs a CV that unlocks global opportunities. Whether you're a small business owner or a professional, because today opportunities are available for both small business owners and professionals. This opportunity need what value you bring and how clearly you can show it. If your CV is limited only to your local or immediate environment, global doors will be far from you. And that's what I want to help you to fix in today's video. Welcome to this channel, and if you're new here, my name is Dr. Beam. I'm a lecturer in business in United Kingdom, a global positioning and global opportunity coach. I help professional and small business owners position and get global opportunities based on my experience and over 20 years of training. In the next 15 minutes, I will show you how to position your CV so it speaks globally beyond your locality. By the end of this video, you will understand why most CVs fail internationally, even when the person applying is highly skilled or highly qualified. How global recruiters and clients actually read CVs. I'm going to show you how they do that. What to remove, what to emphasize, and what to reframe on your CV. How professionals and small business owners should position experience differently. Then I will also show you the one mindset shift that turns a CV into an opportunity magnet. That is why you have to stay to the end of this video, because at the end I will also show you a powerful adjustment that quietly separates global winners from everyone. So let's dive into it. The reason global opportunities ignore people is not because most of them are not qualified. It is because they are not well positioned. Global employers and clients don't have time to interpret your background. They don't have that time. They have no time to guess what your impact is, either as a professional or a business owner. If your CV doesn't immediately communicate relevance, clarity, and value to them, what do? They just skip your CV. I'm sure you don't want your CV to be skipped. Many CVs are written with one assumption. What I see is that many applicants believe that people already understand my context, so they should choose me. That is where the problem lies. They put local job titles, they put local achievements, they include local explanation. For example, a Nigerian using local languages like Administrative Officer 2, grade level 9, Youth Corps member NYSC, Marketing Officer, grade level 7, Assistant Registrar, State Civil Service. To someone outside your country, these mean nothing. All these languages highlighted, they mean nothing to such a person. because they don't live in your locality. They don't know your local languages. They don't know your local nuances. Instead of using those languages, use global, clear, and transferable language like operation and administrative coordinator, graduate intern, operation and data support, marketing and customer growth associates, academic and student service administrator. Can you see? Same roles, but clear languages and global understanding. These languages are understood on global level. This is because global recruiters and clients operate differently. They ask that, without you knowing, they ask that, can this person solve problem and scale our organization? Can they communicate across cultures? Can they deliver results without supervision? If your language doesn't show that, you'll be ignored. Your CV will be ignored. Yes, if your CV doesn't answer those questions, your CV will be ignored. And let me tell you this, your CV is not a history document. I want you to know this. Yes, you must correct this mindset. Your CV is not a history document. Recruiters, global clients are not historians. Your CV is not a record of everything you've done. Your CV is a strategic document that answers one question. One question. Why should we trust this person with this opportunity? Once you understand that, everything changes. If you have ever asked yourself, why do people with similar experience get international offers but I don't get those opportunities, but people with similar experiences are getting those offers? This is usually why. It is not your talent, but your clarity and your positioning. And that is what I want to fix next. Yes. It means that you have to shift your focus. Yes. That is how to fix it. You need to start shifting your focus. That is, you need to shift from task to outcomes, roles to values, effort to results, because global CVs highlight impact, transferable skills, strategic thinking, problem-solving abilities. Your experience doesn't need to change. All you need is how to reframe your CV to global languages. As a professional, stop assuming your job title explains your value. Stop that assumption. That is what I see most professionals do. They just put in their job titles and they feel, oh, that should explain it. No, your job titles don't explain your values. Instead, you must show what problems you handled, what improved because of your work and contribution, what decisions you influenced that improve the organization. This must be highlighted intentionally. You must use intentional language. Someone outside your country should understand your competence without asking questions or without being confused. That is called global readiness. That is when you are globally ready. And for business owners, especially small business owners, your CV include your profile, proposal, your capability statements. One truth you must know is that global clients don't hire passion. Yes, it's not all about passion. Global clients don't hire passion. They hire proofs, reviews, your social proofs. They want to see who you have helped, what changed. They want to see what results you can repeat for them based on your proofs. Your CV must sell your outcomes, not your hustles. Recruiters or global clients, they don't care about your hustles. They care about your outcome. And here is the difference between the difference maker. Yes, that is what separates global CV from average ones. They are confidence, not arrogance, not exaggeration, but clear, calm confidence. Global CVs don't beg. They don't over-explain. They don't sound unsure of their impact, of their value, of their results. They speak like someone who belongs in the room. As I round up, let me leave you with this. Global opportunities respond to clarity. You know, I keep saying, if you have watched my video over and over again, in every of my video, I always mention this: clarity first. Clarity first, clarity first. Because global opportunities respond to clarity before competence and confidence. As a matter of fact, it is clarity that is going to give you competence and confidence. So, clarity first. If your CV language still sounds local, your opportunities will remain limited to your locality, and you'll be wondering why you're not getting global recruiters or global clients. But when your CV speaks global value, global doors begin to open for you automatically. I'm sure this video has helped you and has made you to see clearly. So please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone aiming bigger. Let YouTube take this video to as many people that will benefit from it. And if you are ready to tailor your CV for global roles or international clients or recruiter, you want me to hold your hand? I've dropped a link in the description box for you to book a one-on-one clarity section with me for your next step. Your skills are valuable, let me assure you. Now, let me help your CV to unlock global doors that you deserve. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.